In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your sales by product or service in QuickBooks Online. Understanding how your products or services are performing is crucial for making informed business decisions. Whether you're managing inventory, tracking service demand, or identifying sales trends, QuickBooks Online makes it simple to access detailed reports that break down your sales data. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to generate and review a sales by product or service summary report so you can gain valuable insights into your business performance. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in. First, open your QuickBooks Online account and look at the left-hand panel on your screen. Here, you'll see a list of menu options. Click on the one labeled Reports. This is where you can access a variety of financial data and summaries for your business. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll notice a series of tabs at the top of the page. Click on the one that says Standard Reports. This tab contains pre-built reports designed to help you quickly analyze your business performance. Next, scroll down the page until you see a section titled Sales and Customers. This is where you'll find reports specifically related to your sales data and customer activity. Keep scrolling until you locate the report called Sales by Product or Service Summary. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. After clicking, QuickBooks will take a moment to load the report. During this time, the system processes your request and compiles the data into an easy-to-read format. Be patient. It shouldn't take long. Once the report is fully loaded, you'll see a detailed breakdown of your sales figures. The data is organized by individual products or services, giving you a clear view of how each item has been performing over a selected period. Take a few moments to review the information presented. Look at the sales totals for each product or service, and pay attention to any patterns or trends. Are certain items selling more frequently than others? Are there products or services that may need a promotional push? Finally, use this data to make strategic adjustments to your business. Whether you need to increase inventory for a popular product, adjust pricing, or refine your marketing efforts, this report gives you the insights you need to stay ahead. And that's it. You've successfully generated and reviewed your sales by product or service summary report in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.